Um, I know it's. Jose actually told me. There are some issues with like students were saying it's difficult to follow. The classroom is very big, and the learning experience is poor. I totally understand. I actually went to Jose and told him 2 weeks ago, Jose, we have issue with because After Effects is complex, and then obviously this learning technique. Is there any possibility of splitting them into two classes? He said he has to speak to his boss, and he said no, basically, unfortunately. So what I suggest you to do is, because we are extending this course into 2 terms, so we have plenty of time. It's like we got 20 weeks basically learning this project, so we have plenty of time to understand and get through with it. Okay, so not to worry if you felt you are behind, or if you're not getting enough feedback or the learning experience, but you can accomplish that by by doing more and more sessions like this in coming weeks. So not to worry, right? So that's the only thing I can say. Right. So let's say
Wait, Janica,
yeah.
can you send me the file, the Illustrator file?
It's on the canvas. Log into canvas, and you can download it from there.
All right.
I will show you where it is. So where are we? That's the one. No, that's not the one. Yeah, it's here.
Oh, thank you.
HNC graphic design Feb 20 term 2 illustration. I'm gonna download this. And can you remember what did we learn last week? Can anybody just recap me, or just tell me what we have done last week? Just to give me a shout out, like, oh, yeah, we did this, we done that. Does anybody like to remind me? Did you all receive my recorded session last week, right, on email?
Yeah, we received it.
Perfect.
I didn't get it.
It's on your email. Did you check your email?
Yeah, let me check one more time.
Okay. I mean,
Actually, no, I don't have it.
you don't have it?
No.
1 second, let me check. What's your email?
Should I type it down?
Huh?
Should I type it down? MrG's@gmail.com.
What's that? What's the first word?
MRJHEEZ.
Yeah, I send you MRJHEEZ at gmail.com. Yeah, it's.
I can say it now.
Can you see it? Yeah, it's there. All right, cool. Let's get everybody in. So who's missing? Vanya is here.
Good morning.
Hello, Adelena, Jealousy, Eva, Celia, Adimala. Okay, before just wait for. All right. Can you please switch on your switch off? Put the camera back in, and then I can see everybody, and then you can switch off. Then I need to see. I need to put my head. Your. I need to see who you are. Who you are. So who's this? Okay. Hello. Perfect.
Hi there.
Hello. So where's the rest of the guys? Okay. Yes.
My camera isn't working.
Camera is not working.
No.
You need to buy a new camera, man.
Yeah, I've been trying to fix it, but I don't know what's going on. I'll also use my phone then, yeah.
Uh-huh. So who's Tamala, Alexandra, Tamola, Vanya, Glenna. Perfect. So Vanya, you know your camera is not on?
It was on. I waved at you.
I cannot see you. Oh, okay, yeah. Paulina?
Yeah, I'm here.
Hello. Adlina, Admola, Alexandra.
I'm here.
Adlina. Is everybody can see each other as well? Yeah?
Yes.
Oh, perfect. Fantastic. Brilliant. Let me take a snapshot.
No.
Let me take a snapshot. What is take a snapshot? Perfect. Right, you can switch off the camera. That's fine, no problem. Thank you. Right, so I would like you to open your Illustrator files if you don't mind. Maybe this one. If you don't have Illustrator file on your own to work, I mean, you can actually, probably I must ask them to recreate this. If you're not confident, that's absolutely fine. If you have your own file, that's absolutely fine. If you're not, please download this file into your computer, okay? And then you can see easily these elements are in separate files, okay? Yeah, the sky, the boat, cloud.
Yeah, I expected that you're just gonna upload one image, so we do it on our own, but then I noticed that you had all the layers separate.
Yeah.
So it was easy.
Okay. So the only thing I would say, I'm gonna do this. See this. This is environment layer. Can you see the environment layer? Everybody
Yeah.
can see it. Yeah.
What's the name of the lesson we have to download?
It's on the canvas. It's called Illustrator 1-1. Can you download this? Right. So on here. So on here, it's all in one layer. Now, if you want to, let's say, if I ungroup this, then everybody can see my screen. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
So this layer is all in one layer. So if you want to animate each individual element,
We need to put in different layers.
exactly. So I'm going to ungroup this, and let's say I'm going to ungroup again. Let's say this tree. I'm going to cut this, put it in a different layer. Edit, paste in place. So if you put edit, paste in place, it's gonna paste where you cut the image. So I'm gonna go back to this one. Yeah.
Should we do the same?
Cut this. Sorry, sir. Again, I cannot hear you. Are you talking to me? Edit, paste in place.
When I'm trying to select just one single item, it doesn't work. It selects everything.
What do you mean? So you
Like I'm trying-
see that environment layer, yeah?
yeah.
So it's all in one layer. So what I am asking you to do is ungroup that. So right click ungroup twice, and then you need to put this in separate layers. Like cut them, create a new layer, edit, paste in place. You understand what what I am doing right now?
No.
What? Okay. You don't understand. You don't know what I'm doing now.
Oh, mine are not grouped, so I'm okay. They're all separate. They're just locked.
Exactly. So look. This environment layer is grouped. You know what group means, right?
Yeah.
So
More items, yeah.
yeah. So it's all grouped together. Do you know how to ungroup it? You select and right click, because I cannot show you now. It's already ungrouped this one. So right click, ungroup again, and then select the objects with hold down shift. Look at that. This object, select the object.
Okay, with that one.
With the hold down shift, select the object. You go to edit, cut, create a new layer on the layer panel, and edit, paste in place. You know what this paste in place does? Is if you
On
cut
the same location.
exactly same location. So I'm going to do the same thing for this. Edit, cut, new paste in place. Edit, cut.
Can we do that just on the big trees?
It's up to you. I'm just showing you. It's up to you how you do it. I just want you to, if you're feeling lazy, that's your problem. So edit, cut, just put them in layers, because this is a really good lesson. I have been doing this lesson for.
We have to create a new layer, you said?
Yeah, new layer here, layer panel. See that layer, and then put them in there, and make sure.
Yeah, but I can't create one. I don't know why.
Well,
Doesn't work.
are you look in layer here? Create new layer.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Yeah, I know, but it doesn't work. I don't know why.
So now if you look at the environment, I go only, okay, this one also, I'm going to put this in a separate layer. Edit, cut, new layer, oops, sorry, new layer.
Can I show you? Can I show you what it appears on
Yeah,
the-
show me, where are you? Show me your screen.
Okay, so can you?
No,
Okay.
listen. Can you find a way, because I'm trying to help you, right? This is not going to help for me. Can you find a way to come on the screen rather than coming on the phone? Is a way to find out? Because
I have to download the app.
exactly, do that, because it's gonna help you. It's gonna help you, not for me. For me to look at your screen is difficult for me. I cannot see nothing.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm
So
gonna
please
do that.
download. If you are coming on the phone, do yourself a favor by downloading it. If you have internet, download it. Come through the phone. Come to the laptop or computer. Then I can help you.
Okay.
Otherwise, pointing the phone to the screen is not going to help, because
Okay.
you're going to be doing more and more advanced stuff in the future. We need to be much more efficient on solving problems process, right?
Okay.
Right. Now,
Janaka,
yeah,
I have problems to select only one object, like holding down the shift. It selects more than one object. Can I show you?
yeah, show me. Are you sharing your screen?
Yeah.
Ah, perfect. All right.
So when what I did, I ungrouped the environment, then I tried to select one object like this
Okay,
one.
click off somewhere. Yeah, and click back again to the environment layer. Okay, okay,
It's
that
already ungrouped.
on group. Okay, perfect. Now hold, select that tree. Go to that particular tree.
This one.
Yeah. Okay. Now it's still. Can you do a right click ungroup again? See,
Okay.
two times
Okay.
you need to ungroup. Now you can
Two
select.
times. Two
Click,
times. Okay.
yeah, two times. Yeah. Click off and go back. Now you can select. Hold down shift.
Okay. Hold down shift and
Yeah.
then select.
Yeah. Hold down shift. You can actually select that gray area of the tree, the right hand side. Yeah, the whole thing. Yeah. So see, there are two times you need to ungroup, because whoever done this, whoever created this illustration is actually grouped twice. So if somebody is grouped 4 times, you go to ungroup 4 times. Does that make sense?
Yeah. Then shall I cut this?
Cut this, yeah, cut it and go to new layer, click, yeah, and go to edit, paste in place.
After that, can I show you? I'm trying to download the
Thank you.
app on my computer, but
Yeah.
I'm not sure exactly which one is it from them. Oh,
What do you mean, which one?
like which one? There are so many. Like this one is the only one I think. Oh,
You need to download the Zoom app.
yeah. Is it this one?
Okay, I'll show you. I cannot see your screen.
The map.
Zoom app. Let me show you Zoom app. Yeah, this one, this logo. Can you see?
Yeah, there's the logo. Look,
Yeah, that's the one. Yeah, that's the one. Yeah.
there's the one, but it says no, I can't get into the program. I don't know why. What the hell?
Can you open?
No, that's why I'm trying. It says just join. Is it this one? Are you sure?
Yeah.
Just join for Zoom meetings, but
Zoom. I don't know. You need to find a way to download it. Because that's a Zoom. You can. Okay, 1 second. Download app. Download Zoom app for Mac. Yeah, maybe go to the Google and go to Google. Open up Google.
yeah.
Yeah, open up Google. Okay, if you can type download Zoom app for Mac. Download Zoom app for Mac. It's the first link.
Starleaf. Is it that
Download
one?
Center Zoom. Yeah, click that one.
Is it this one? Sure.
No. 1 second. This one. Down. Can you see
It
this
doesn't
one?
look like. I think this one is Zoom.
This one.
Which-
Download Zoom app for Mac. So I think 1 minute.
Maybe on the Apple.
Yeah, this one. So if you go to this Zoom for Mac free download plus review, can you see something like that? Macupdate.com. It's a website called macupdate.com. The
Macworld. Macworld.
no Macworld. No, not the Mac. Macworld.
And also apple.com.
1 second. Set up Macworld.
It shouldn't be the same one.
Oh no. Did you write down download Zoom app for Mac? Is that the exact word?
Yeah, that's what you written. Yeah.
Yeah, that download Zoom app for Mac. The second, maybe your search area is different for my, I don't know.
Okay, I'm gonna try.
Yeah, let's try to. Okay, right. You need to do it on your own time. So let's get on with this class. Okay. Can you bring the charger? Can you bring the charger? Wait. Right, let's get this going. Right, so everybody understand the splitting them onto the layers, yeah?
Can you just say it step by step so I can write it down?
Yeah.
Okay.
If you open your
It's really hard to follow when I've got two screens but only one screen.
So did you open your Illustrator file?
Yeah, I've got it here.
Okay, good. So can you see my screen? Can you see my screen?
No, I can only see you.
You're not sharing.
Okay, I'm not sharing it. That's fine, no problem. There you go. Now?
Yeah.
Okay.
So you select the object.
Yeah, select the object. Let's say this environment. Let's say this layer. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Environment layer, right? So this is all grouped. Let's say this is grouped. See that if you right click, it's asking to ungroup it. Can you see that?
Yeah.
So I'm going to ungroup this now. Click, right click, ungroup it. Ungroup means you can actually separate them. Yeah. And then so I got 3 layers here. So I'm gonna cut this. I'm gonna put this in 3 different layers. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm gonna select that first layer. I'm going to edit, cut. Okay.
Yeah.
And on the layer panel, create new layer button.
Wait 1 second. Where is it? Oh yeah.
Create new layer, empty layer.
Yeah.
My one is layer 27.
Mm-hmm.
And then I go to edit, paste in place.
Okay.
Yeah.
And that will go into layer 27. Okay.
Exactly. So it puts back to the layer 27. So again, I'm gonna cut this one, this orange panel, create a new layer, edit, paste in place. So I'm gonna cut this panel, new layer, edit, paste in place. This one, edit, cut. So this is very, very important. If you're doing a lot of stuff in the future, maybe incorporating Illustrator and After Effects, understanding putting the certain elements in different layers is very, very important for animation. It could be character animation, it could be non-animated character animation. Right? Everybody clear in this method I am using? Yeah?
Yes.
Perfect. Right, so I'm gonna put all the layers back in. So I'm pretty much ungroup and cut them into different layers, especially that environment layer has been done. Right, I'm gonna put a save. So I'm gonna put save, that's it, some save, done. Perfect, finished. So I created my, let's imagine I created this scene from scratch. I put everything in a different layer. The only thing I would have done is naming these layers, yeah? See that these name, the layers are being named. So if you go like 20 untitled layers on After Effects, or 20 or 30, so you don't know which to select. So
Yeah.
I would say tree 1, double click it, double click the layer, tree 1, just put T1, okay, just the shorten form, and then double click the layer, next layer, T2. So double click the other layer, T3. So this way you know which layers are named. It's easy to understand. Okay. So if you want, you can actually put 3, 5, 5, T6, T7, T8, T9, T10, T11, 12, and then if I close all that, and these are it's kind of like a land, isn't it? Land, green land, something like that. So just give you name, sort of makes sense. Green land. Land 2. Land 3. Land 4. Again, this one is T13. Yeah, stuff like that, okay? So I'm quite happy with the naming structure. So I got names everywhere. So I'm gonna put a save. A save. Yeah, ready?
Not at all. We have separate only one object so far. We have to do that for the whole
Okay.
experiment.
Can I give you like 5-10 minutes to do this? Yeah. And then,
Exactly. We need time to do this after you, otherwise we can't follow you.
yeah, definitely. Okay.
Yeah.
So when
Okay.
you're ready, let me know. Okay.
Yeah, we'll start doing this now.
So it's it's very important for me to go in a source place, because I want everybody to go forward, you know. I don't want anybody stuck behind. I'm not sure, you know what I mean. This experience is very important. So I'll take your time, do this, and then when you're finished, we'll go to the next stage and next stage and next stage, okay? Did anybody had a chance to look into that tutorial, After Effects tutorial link I sent it to you last week in Adobe, you know, the beginner, intermediate levels? Did anybody had a chance to look into that? No?
Not yet.
Okay, that's fine, no problem. I know you're lazy. That's fine, no problem.
Oh, if you think that's the problem, this is not. We're not lazy. We've got so
I'm
much.
joking,
to do, but
I'm
yeah.
joking.
I only had a chance to go over half of the lessons yesterday. And yeah, sorry, but we'll
It's
we'll
not
get there at
it's
some
not
point.
Yeah, it's not easy because this lockdown thing is affected by so many people in a different way, you know. It's just the learning experience is very difficult, and especially learning something new, you know, and it's not that simple, you know. So no problem. The good thing is, so everything recorded, and then we can actually go through more and more. It's not a problem. Is anybody learning to draw? Is anybody learning to draw?
I'm learning to draw on the iPad on Procreate, but it's a lot more difficult than it looks.
Okay. You already started drawing, like using brushes and stuff, yeah?
Yeah, using the brushes and the pen and the different colors.
Mm-hmm. So look, listen. The best thing, if you're struggling in digitally, start drawing on a piece of paper. Get your movements, get your get your hand move freely, and don't be afraid to do mistakes and stuff like that on piece of paper. And then once you have that that confident, no, I'm not talking about like making a Mona Lisa or something on a piece of paper, you know what I mean? Like just get the shapes, then you can actually transfer that skill into digital easily. So when you are doing digital drawing, you'll be able to understand of pressure sensitivity, how to use the brush. There are different brushes. I mean, I have never used Procreate before, but I used Photoshop for digital paint before. Yeah, so do more practice sessions. Like for example, these stuff, like, you know, I'm started drawing on the piece of paper, that kind of stuff, because I do a lot of animation, and then I'm drawing, like, you know, I'm not even good drawer on digitally, but I'm trying my best to achieve, in a sense, like drawing different, like scribbling, you know, like take 1 hour of your day, just purely start drawing like this stuff, you know, this kind of stuff. I draw whatever I feel like, you know. Let's just trying to get just a pen, just scribbles, you know. So I got this lot of animation books. So what I'll do is I'll just go through with them and start animating, drawing a lot of figures and stuff, you know. These drawings are from that Ratatouille animation. You see that? You remember that that cartoon? The mouse can cook in France. Have you seen that?
Ratatouille.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It was amazing. This was done in 2000, back in 2008. It took 4 years to make that animation. So I got that book. On the book, it's got so many illustrations, behind the scene stuff, so you can actually learn it. Look at the expressions they have, like the character.
Okay.
Different cartoony characters, and the fur, different models and stuff like that. So I'm just basically copying them and trying to understand it. Because my plan is to build 3D these characters. So this is one of the first steps I am doing.
Janaka, can I ask you a question?
Yeah.
It's me, Paulina. Like you said, which program you are working on when you are trying to do 3D? Maya.
Yeah.
Okay. Is it working good with Apple, like MacBooks, or? computer?
You can download Maya for 3 years for students. It's free. It works for PC and Macs, no problem.
Have you tried to use Blender?
No, I mean, 1 second, yeah. 1 second, 1 second. So Blender, no, I mean, like, look, Blender, I actually teach 3D in LCCA. I have a class in the evening, so I teach like 3D. Okay, so building 3D characters and stuff. The problem with Blender, I know there is a big news on Blender. It's open source and you can do some amazing stuff. I never use Blender, and one of my students are actually using Blender, and I convinced him. The problem with Blender is not industry standard. Even if you go to a job, they don't care. They don't care you know Blender, because Maya is industry standard for character modeling and this character animation, and 3ds Max is also good for character modeling and character animation, but primarily is for architectural designs and building 3D models and stuff. So
Okay.
if you're going in towards if you're coming from a graphic design background, if you're more into illustration, so if you want to convert your illustration into 3D, I would thoroughly, from my experience, would advise you to start learning Maya, because if you have a Maya knowledge, if you have a 3D models in your portfolio or showreel, you have more chance to get into a job, because all the big industry companies in London, all over the world, use Maya as industry standard. Blender is not industry standard.
Okay, good to know.
I can share you. Don't take my word for it. Watch this video. Flip normal. Okay, 1 second. If you go to Blender, yes, Puti. Huh? Okay, okay, have it. Industry standard. Okay, you can have it. Okay, so can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay, when you have time, just go through this video. These guys are, this website, this channel is amazing, fantastic. So if you want to learn, these guys are explaining why Blender isn't 3D standard, in 3D industry standard. These guys are explaining clearly why Blender is not industry standard. Okay, so watch this one. Take a snapshot or whatever.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Let me just show you some of the work we're doing. I think I've shown you some of the stuff we are doing. Like I got these videos I'm doing, this 3D modeling, and I haven't completed uploaded them yet because I need to edit these videos properly for my channel and stuff. So I'm doing this UV mapping. So you need to UV map this to put texture in it. So this is Maya, actually. This interface is Maya. So stuff like this one, we're doing this with this. This is actually on a normal speed, but I'm scrubbing to show you. I'm just doing this stuff. So learn 3D. It's really helps you to get a job in the future, or whatever you do. It's really good. So are you guys ready? Are you still working on it? Are you? Shall we move on to the next stage?
Yeah, I think so.
Got it, yeah? Right. Okay, let's go. If you are still doing it, that's absolutely fine. Don't worry about it. Let's do it. Like I'm gonna open. I got Illustrator file now. That's fine, no problem. And I'm gonna open After Effects. Okay. You guys can see my screen, right?
Yep.
Right, I'm opening After Effects. By the way, After Effects also have a 3D program inside. It's called Cinema 4D Lite. Yeah,
Mhm.
it comes free if you are paying for your subscription for After Effects. You have a 3D program inside, but we will go through in the future that stuff. I'm not gonna show you jump into 3D yet. It's gonna confuse us the hell out of you. So let's focus on this 2D stuff in the beginning. Okay, so let's open up my After Effects. Right, you can see my After Effects. Yeah, right now it is so this is the window you will see, and then you got new project, and you can see this one. And then I'm going to create a new composition.
Mhm.
Can everybody can just open up After Effects for me?
So I would say new composition.
Yeah, new composition.
Okay.
Is everybody doing this?
Yeah.
Perfect. New composition. Name of the composition, I don't mind. You can put anything you prefer. And please make sure you have these settings: HDTV 1080-24, 1920, 1080, square pixels, frame 24, duration, not to worry. I mean, so what's the duration you have on your composition?
30.
That's fine.
What did you say?
Huh?
What are you asking for? Sorry.
The duration. What's the duration number you have?
003. Okay, I have to be 14.
No, don't worry. Don't touch that yet.
30.
That's fine. No problem. That's fine. That's fine. Don't worry. So when you have these settings, is everybody have these settings? Press OK.
Yeah, but we have to change the color.
Don't worry about the color yet. Don't
Okay.
worry about the color. So
Yeah.
some people will have a black background. Some people may have a white background. Yeah.
Yeah.
So what the color you have?
A blue.
That's fine. No problem. Don't worry. Don't worry about it.
But I can change it.
Of course you can change it. You can change anything.
Okay.
Can you go back to the settings, please?
Yeah, you can change to a man to woman as well in After Effects. You know that.
Have voices?
It was a joke. I said you can change a man to a woman or woman to a man. It's a joke. You should be laughing. All right. Anyway, right. Let's move on. Sense of humor. Okay, that's what you call. Right. So this is the settings. Yeah.
Oh wait, yours is 14 seconds.
Yeah, Alexandra.
Your duration is 14.
Don't worry about duration. As I said, if you want to have a duration, just whatever number you have, just leave it.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay.
You're good? Okay, cool. Right. Now, the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to save this project. Go to File, Save. I'm going to save this project. And then I'm going to save into desktop or wherever you can easily find on your computer. Okay. So let's say, I'm going to say, let's say landscape animation.
So should I save as well? Should I
Huh?
save it? Should I save as well?
Yeah, save. First save the file. Landscape. I'm gonna name as landscape animation .aep. Your file extension is .aep. .aep stands for After Effects project.
I'll say just land.
Effects project. AEP After Effects project. Okay. So I'm gonna save this. Yeah.
Yeah.
So everybody doing what I'm doing now. Perfect.
Saving the project.
So look, I'm keep on asking questions, but I wanted to make sure everybody in the right track, everybody everybody in the same boat as me. Okay?
Thank you.
Yep.
Cool. Done?
Yeah, I'm just giving a name. When I save a type, does it say Adobe After Effects project or Adobe After Effects template project? It's
No,
this
not
one.
template, not template,
The
project.
first one, yeah.
Yeah.
I suppose.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Okay?
Yeah, ready?
Cool. Right.
1 second, 1 second.
I don't learn today. I don't know.
Huh?
I say if I don't learn today,
Hello.
what we have to do, like I just need to split myself probably.
Exactly. Look, this project what I'm doing right now actually worked in the past perfectly, and so this is very good project for you to work on. Get your head into the program. Okay, so
No, I say because we do everything very slowly now, so I have to learn at least.
so this is a good icebreaker. All right, this is.
Oh, it's good. It's good. It's good. I didn't say it's wrong. I prefer like this.
Yeah.
I've got a question. So I haven't downloaded the app on my computer. I'm going to show you by phone. That's my only option now. Today, I'm going to try to download that one later. Okay. So yeah, let me. Okay, so I'm here. I'm just curious why. So I chose the color, yeah, at the beginning, this color, and the screen is pixelated.
Okay, good. See. Now look at my screen. See that? You click this one.
Where?
You see? See my screen?
The active camera.
And next to the active camera, there's a toggle switch. So you must have pressed that.
Oh, okay.
Now you see it.
Okay.
Okay. So you know how to change the background, Sandra, yeah?
Yeah, I've changed the background, but I was curious why on the left side it shows the color and then in the middle the pixelated.
So everybody, it's good question you mentioned. That's fine, absolutely fine, no problem. So if anybody have this issue, sometimes you see when you click this, you'll see this dotted line. It's called transparent scene, transparent grid. Okay, so if you click that, you can see your color. So at the moment, my background color is white. Right. So now the next step is I'm going to import my Illustrator file which we created earlier on. So
We haven't done it. We haven't finished. But we can do that one that we've downloaded from the canvas.
Don't worry, just follow me. Just don't worry about it. If you finish it, you can do it later on, but just follow me and do what I'm asking you to do. Right. Now go to file, import file. Or there are two ways to do it. File, import file, or cancel this, right click, import, right click on this background, the black area under your composition, import file, import. And then you look for your Illustrator file. One second. Yeah. So this one. And select the file, but do not click it. Do not open until I say so. Okay?
Sorry. Did you say that as illustrate? Oh, okay, sorry.
So select the Illustrator file, and then you need to go and import as composition retain layer sizes. Change these settings to composition retain layer sizes.
One second.
Yeah. So this is very important. Every time you have to remember, guys, please. If you do anything in Illustrator, if you create any sort of illustrations in layers which you want to animate in After Effects, okay, So when you're trying to bring into After Effects, you need to select this option. If you select either of those on the right one, on the top, on the bottom, you won't be able to access the layer stack which you have created in Illustrator.
Yeah, but me, the problem, like, I just have a, you know, if I want to open, I go just the Illustrator logo. It's not like you, you know. My viewing is different from you. Because if I wanna, I have just the, like, my file is just an Illustrator logo.
That's fine, no problem. There is a, on your computer, there's a preview not on. That's absolutely fine. As long as you click the correct Illustrator file name,
Yeah,
you save
yeah.
it, and then on the here, composition rate.
No, my one is saved already. It's saved already.
Okay, composition rate and did you select composition rate and layer size here?
Okay, I will try to save it again. 1 second, yeah.
Yeah, no
I will save again. Let me try. Well, okay. Illustrator option. Okay. Save as. Okay, okay. Illustrator, no.
Yeah.
No. Import as. No, for me it's different.
For me as well.
For me as well.
Can I just share quickly?
Yeah, so I'm share the screen with me.
Can't see nothing.
If I go file and would like to import the
Yeah.
file, like it, oh, no, it's different. I don't know why. It was another window, which wasn't this one. So if I click on the file, I should choose this one.
Yes, and press import now.
But that's strange. It was different before. What did I do different this time? Okay.
All right, cool. So right, let me go back and I'm trying to import this.
Okay.
Right. So if you got it,
Import kind of like footage or composition. What should I press?
this one, composition retain layer size.
Just show me footage or composition, to be honest. Layer size, document size or layer size? Layer size.
Composition retain layer sizes. Select that.
Then press import or
Press import or press open, and it's going to open up the composition. Okay. And then if you double click it, you'll see all the layers inside.
Okay, my image is just on the left side. It's not on the you know, on a white canvas. Like it's just on the on the left side of the screen.
Can you share? Can you see me? Can I see your screen?
Yeah, I can't share, so I'll show you from there. Oh shit! I'm on a t-shirt. What the fuck? You see?
No, I can't see.
You can't. You don't see my screen, or you don't see?
Okay, yeah. So just double click the composition. Double click it. Double click it, and you'll be able to see it. Double click the composition. Double click the composition. Now you see. Now you see the layers.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's it. Yeah. What about the layer? Oh, the layer is down. Okay, it's fine.
So you go all the layers you created in Illustrator. You've seen inside After Effects.
Thank you.
Good.
Perfect.
Perfect.
Okay. I take a screen.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So does everybody be able to just look at my screen again? Where am I? Am I?
You don't share now.
1 second. Okay. So when you double click the illustration composition, would you be able to see these? Yeah.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. Cool. Right. I'm gonna start doing the first animation of mine. Okay. So I'm gonna start the rotation, the position and rotation value of the sun. So do the animation. So you can actually isolate the layer by clicking the dot. See that? You can actually isolate the layer. You know what isolation means. Just only see what you selected.
1 second. Okay.
Yeah.
Is the first dot. Yeah, the first dot.
Yes, yeah, perfect. Now in here, I am gonna animate this the sun coming from shine, growing from bottom to the up. Okay, so
1 second. I want to sign.
Is this recorded, by the way?
yeah.
Cool.
Right. If I go and open my transform values, so can you tell me what should I be animating? I want the sun to come from bottom to the slot
Position first.
position, yeah, and then
And then scale maybe.
huh?
No rotation.
Okay, and again, so if I want sun to become smaller and bigger.
Scale.
Good, well done. Right, so position, click, move down off screen, move it. Yeah, so my position is here.
I think it should be going left to right in a circle. Not like
So I'm gonna do the rotation, click, and then
Yeah, but how did you? How can I see all anchor point, rotation, opacity, and everything from my layer?
transform. Click open transform.
Transform.
Yeah.
Transform and what? What about transform? And after I go anchor point position and everything.
Yeah. So you can see my screen what I have animated so far. So let me zoom in. See that?
Hold on. Okay.
I go
I
position
cannot
and
move the sun. I don't know why it's not working.
Can you give us just a few seconds to try this?
yeah, try this one. Try to animate these three options like
Come on, man. What is anchor point? Okay. So scale. Okay. Rotation.
yeah. If you can do this one like rotation, position, and scale animation for me.
Position is for me. Scale.
So look at the animation starting. So position is down.
Okay, number one. How can I see the the small point you have? Is an anchor point? How do you call it? No, it's not even anchor point. The small point like
This
the
one,
dot.
yeah.
The dot.
So you don't see when you click. You don't see it.
No.
Okay, good. So go to layer. If you don't see these points, guys, if you don't see these points to select it, you need to go to layer. 1 minute. Okay, no. View show layer controls.
Show layer. Okay, it's done.
Now you can see the
No,
points.
my one is on already. It was on already. So show.
If you don't see this, like for example, if you, let's say if you go here, if you don't see it, now you can see I cannot select this because I cannot see the layer controls here, right? See that? Now you need to go to view, show layer controls.
No, don't speak about that. No. I speak about the dot when you do the movement.
Yeah.
This one you select right now.
Yeah, these dots, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. So you know how to create these dots by clicking here, the triangle, adding keyframes.
Let me see the triangle.
We did this last week, remember? We did the exercise last week. So how come you're not forgetting? How come you're forgetting things?
Well, we forget, that's why, like, that's the problem about the... So how should I create the dot? The triangle, which triangle?
Yeah, triangle here, see that?
Damn, I'm gonna triangle. Oh, okay, anchor point. Should I put all of them in the same position?
Sorry, Janka, what rotation should we?
Huh?
How should we rotate it? Real fast or?
No, it's up to you. I'm just doing one single rotation at the moment. So I got like, it's up to you how you do it. Like I can just. So at the moment I got this maybe one time.
Okay, can I see what should I do now? I put in this like the 3 anchor point. Okay, so in the same position.
Can you come from the computer next time? Yeah, because
unfortunately my computer, it doesn't, I don't know, is Microsoft Store, is not allowed him to use Zoom. It will be more easy for me as well.
Okay, what's your computer name? What's your name, brand?
It's an Asus.
Okay, it doesn't allow you to download the app.
The Zoom, yeah.
Okay.
So I use my tablet. So okay, what is rotation? Rotate, yeah.
Right. Apart from Andrea, so who's having problem to animate this sun? In this.
I know how to animate the sun. I've done it.
Okay.
The only thing is, when I go to isolate the sun, it doesn't work when I'm isolating it. Just when it's the whole composition, I can do it.
I don't understand your question. I'm lost.
I haven't asked you anything, but I'm just telling you what happened. I'm trying to isolate it, yeah?
Like this, yeah? Look.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just one sec. How did you isolate it? I double clicked it. I've got just the sun in front of me.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But it doesn't work the transform things. But when I'm go to the composition, illustration, whole thing, I can do it. It does work.
Okay.
Yeah. If I haven't got the app, I can't share the screen. So
exactly.
You understand?
Yeah, sure. Right. So if you come, if you unlock the isolation, so this is how you see your animation. Because
where is the isolation on your screen, for example?
Yeah. It's here, the dot.
I'm trying to see what you show me. Where's the
Yeah.
mouse?
Can you see the mouse?
No,
Why is it not sharing?
I do see your screen, but I can't see where you are showing me. Oh yeah, now, yeah, okay.
See that?
Oh, that one. Oh, okay, the dot there. Oh, what?
Okay.
Oh,
I have one problem. Can I share my screen?
Yeah.
It's a little problem basically. I've done everything, but my view is different.
Show me.
You have to stop sharing first.
Okay, that works.
Okay. Go on.
Oh, perfect. Okay. So my problem is here. I don't see the boxes that you do. Like here, for me to change this, I don't have these boxes that you do.
All right. Okay. Fair enough. So if you go,
I must have pressed something here.
now look, let me share my screen again. So stop this one.
it's fine.
So look, if you don't see that screen, you need to see, select this.
Okay, let me try.
Toggle switches on the bottom.
Mm.
Now you can see it.
I don't have them.
Huh?
Log in my computer, please. I don't have the switches.
In the bottom, can you see on my screen here?
I do, but I don't have this sign.
What sign?
Total switch. I don't have it. Just have some tiny icons.
Okay, share your screen again.
Okay, one sec.
Okay, share your screen to the full. Like I said, can you share your screen to the full? Okay, move the. Okay, 1 second. Go.
See underneath here. Do you see it here? Oops.
Yes, you're right. You cannot. There is no toggle switches on your screen. Why? I don't understand why. 1 minute. No.
It was okay the last time I logged in.
Basta il coso per pulsi. Cosa per fare i pulsi più duri.
Janaka, I've done mine because my husband worked last night. I needed to leave the room so I can say something. I've done mine, but because the sun has been placed later, it doesn't come under the sea, like to look like it's going.
Exactly. That's why I'm gonna show you. Look.
Okay, the layer has to be moved, I suppose.
Exactly. So the cloud, the sun needs to be moved down on the bottom.
Okay.
Bottom.
Yeah, it makes sense. Okay, I wanted to check that. Yeah,
Now
I managed
you can
to
see.
have done mine. But unfortunately, I cannot share my screen because if I need to speak, I will wake him up.
Sure. Yeah, no
So
problem. That's fine.
I've got After Effects on the Mac, not on the laptop, which I can sit in the garden and speak. But I don't have After Effects because my laptop doesn't have enough.
Okay, cool. Right. So having not toggle switch, I'm not sure. Okay, right. So can you select 1 second?
Okay.
Yes. Yeah. Can you see what I'm doing now here? You see that?
No, I need to stop sharing.
Okay. Stop sharing.
Rotation.
Now if you click there are three icons on the bottom. Can you see that? 3 icons on the bottom. So if you click the middle one, you'll be able to see the toggle switches now.
Yes. Okay.
You got it now?
1 second.
Now you can toggle switch and you can actually change the.
Yes, it works.
Perfect.
Thank you.
Right. So who's having problem not understanding what I am doing right
Can
now?
I just try to understand the point of scale, position, and rotation,
Uh-huh.
So I use a position, you know, I move. It have to have really sense for me. I just wanna
Okay, so let me show you.
the meaning, to be
Yeah.
honest.
Yeah, we did it last week, so please try to do it more
Yeah, I know, but
because it's
most
no
of us,
point repeating the same thing again. So look, so if I let's say the position, okay, so
okay,
just give me a second. So the sun is here, so it was
it's moving.
that's what the original position, okay? Yeah, see that?
Yeah.
So I'm gonna moving down first of all, and then click the toggle switch to create the button, create the keyframe for that position,
Okay.
and then move my timeline head a bit further for my second keyframe. So I drag my sun to the second keyframe. So I got 2.
Okay. Yes.
Yeah.
That's the position. Okay. I've done already. Yeah.
Perfect. And then you can actually do the same thing for scale. Scale is select. You can scale down, reducing the value.
Okay. So all the name is not about the what they allowed you to do. Is more for remember the what you done with this level. Like I can do even the scale if I press position. That's what I'm saying. Like it's just for remembering.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Okay. So scale, what means like
What is scale? What is
you know,
scale?
after position, I see you have scale.
Yeah.
So what is? Okay. Yes.
Okay.
Overton.
Okay, cool. Right. Okay, guys, let's have a break now. So it's 11:22 now. So this is the first animation for the sun. when you come back from break, I want you to carry on animating the balloon coming from left to right, the cloud left to right, or maybe this cloud right to left. I want to start animating all the elements we have separated in Illustrator from coming from bottom to top, and then this board from you can actually come from right to left and disappearing behind the mountains. Shall we do that when you come back from break? Yeah.
Yeah.
So understanding this is simple. Understanding creating keyframes and moving stuff around and then is the most important. Okay, so let me come back around in 15 minutes time. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.